Do you have a favorite pair of jeans? Maybe a favorite t-shirt? And when you put it on, it just feels right. Well, that's kind of where I am right now. We're back inside of our simulated trading platform. Yesterday was a little bit of a difference. It was kind of nice actually, but this is where we're supposed to be for this. So, hi everybody, it's Neil here again. It's June 25th, 2020, and we're ready for our cherry bomb trade of the day, right? So, hop on into your platform, boot it up. I think it's time to get going. On screen here, you can see my portfolio, but what I want to show you is the chart here, because today's cherry bomb involves Twitter, and it's an iron condor. If we give Twitter a month, or close to 30 days, 29 days I believe till expiration, do we feel like there's a good chance it's going to end up between these two red lines? Well, those are the break-evens for today's cherry bomb trade, and we'll take a look at that right now. Head on over to the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade, and you want to twirl open your July 24th weeklies with 29 days left to expiration. And, ironically, we're going to go to the put side, and I would right-click on the 29 strike for the puts and go to Analyze Sell Trade and choose Iron Condor. It's going to build for you an Iron Condor down in this area. You may have to drag this line up or down to get some more real estate, or maybe close your price slices. But either way, let me talk about the strikes. We're going to do a short 29 put, and we're going to go long $2 lower than that to cover ourselves, to define our risk, right? And then we're going to take our short call up to 36.50, and then take our long call $2 higher than that to 38.50. It's saying right now that that would be a credit of $88. Now, does that compare to what we see? It's pretty close. Yep, pretty close to what you see in the Tasty Trade Cherry Bomb email. And I have to, of course, and I didn't, so it's bad on me. Thank you for clicking on this video. Whether you're a subscriber or you're new here, that's great. Thank you so much for being here. The email I talked about is something you can get from Tasty Trade 5 days a week. If you head on down to that description below, there's a link. You can get an email. It doesn't come from me. It comes from Tasty Trade. There's multiple email lists that you can sign up for, but the one that we do daily in a simulated trading environment here in ThinkOrSwim is the Cherry Bomb email. That's why I call you guys my Cherry Bombers. All right, so with that said, we can go and take a look at our risk profile. And we can see here, make sure your date in this upper right-hand corner is set to expiration, which if you wanted to know exactly what date that is, you see it right here, 7/25. So I can move that. It's not going to change much if I move it here, just a smidge, right? But I'm going to set it back to the 24th. Anyway, and here we are. I've chosen to set my slices to break even at expiration, and we're looking at a 58.3. Round up to 58.4% probability of breaking even, of our underlying ending up between these strikes. And we can see, I would say that this Iron Condor is not centered, right? So that might be something you could try if you have a slightly bullish bias on Twitter right now. And one could make an argument for that it's had several down days in a row, and we're coming up to a place where it's seen support before, right? So, you know, but once again, tea leaves, and I believe in the Tasty Trade method and phrase of nobody knows anything. So this doesn't mean anything. It can go blow right through it, right? So anyway, this is has a slightly bullish bias. So you can see on this pink line that if Twitter were to come up today, we would definitely benefit, right? Even though it would take us out of center if we ended up here. Okay, so let's review our max profit and our max loss. Right-clicking this red area here where our trade is built, we're going to hit confirm and send. We can see that we can max profit here is $88 and our max loss is $112. We'd be looking to collect or take this trade off if we got to a profit of $44. Okay, so with that said, I'm going to hit send. That's going to pop it on over to my working orders, and we're going to hope for the best there. All right, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this kind of thing, would you do me a favor? Maybe, I hope I've earned that like today. Would you hit that like button? And if you're interested in doing this daily, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for me. That way you'll be notified when our videos come out, which are 5 days a week and at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is when the market opens here on the Eastern Seaboard in the US. Well, thank you so much for joining, and I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb. Happy trading.